Anak Medan, anak Medan doa kawan. Modal pergaulan, hidup dua. Kalau ini penampilan, macam doa kawan. Seorang manang susah, happy dunia. Orang pohon pinang tumbuh sendiri. Orang tumbuhlah menantang awan. Orang biar kambing di kampung sendiri. Orang tapi banteng di perantauan. Horas.
Cik periuk lengas sumbing dari Jawa. Datang ke Cibong bawa kepiting 2 ekor. Cik periuk lengas sumbing dari Jawa. Datang ke Cibong bawa kepiting 2 ekor. Tercampur dalam bilangan hidung picak gigi rongga. Sampai ketawa nolong dipacu dan jantung gas. Cik periuk lengas sumbing dari Jawa. Datang ke Cibong bawa kepiting 2 ekor. Campur dalam belangan hidung picak gigi rongga. Sampai ketawa nolong dipacu dan jantung gas. Cik periuk lengas sumbing dari Jawa. Datang ke Cibong bawa kepiting 2 ekor.
Rasa sayang, lihat dari jauh. Rasa sayang, rasa sayang, lihat dari jauh. Rasa sayang. Dari mana datangnya lintah, dari gunung turun ke kali. Dari mana datangnya cinta, dari mata turun ke hati. Sana gunung, di sini gunung, tengah-tengah bunga melati. Sana bingung, di sini bingung, dua-dua tengah sejati. Rasa sayang, lihat dari jauh. Rasa sayang, rasa sayang, lihat dari jauh. Rasa sayang, rasa sayang, rasa sayang. Terima kasih.
Good evening, welcome to the Glass House Park Hyatt Jakarta for the closing ceremony of Billiard Tournament Indonesia International Open 2024. Please give applause everyone. I am Megalatu, I will be your host tonight. Before we begin, allow me to especially welcome the distinguished guests who are here with us today. Mr. Aryo Bimo Nandito Aryo Tejo, the Minister of Youth and Sport of the Republic of Indonesia. Mr. Izon Singh, the President of the World Pool Billiard Association, WPA. Mr. Michel Al-Khoury, Secretary General of Asian Confederation of Billiard Sports. Mr. Ahmad Saifuddin, Deputy Secretary General of National Sport Committee of Indonesia, KONI. Mr. Hari Tanu Sudibyo, Chairman of the Indonesian Billiard Sport Association, POPSI, and Executive Chairman of MNC Group. Mrs. Liliana Tanu Sudibyo, Executive Chairwoman of MNC Group. Mr. Warren Tanu Sudibyo. The Executive Board of POPSI and the Board of Directors of MNC Group. All distinguished guests, and last but not least, give a warm welcome and big round of applause to the athletes from 20 countries that competed in the tournament for the last 5 days. Yes, they are to start the event. I invite everyone to take a moment to thank God the Almighty that the Indonesian International Open 2024 tournament went smoothly and hope that it has been beneficial for all of us. Prayer may begin. Prayer complete. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, the world-class billiard tournament, Indonesia International Open 2024, is organized by the Indonesian Billiard Sport Association, POPSI, and was successfully held from 16 January until today, 25th January 2024. More than 144 athletes participated in the tournament. They are coming from Indonesia, Japan, Korea, Hong Kong, Vietnam, Singapore, Malaysia, Brunei, China's Taipei, India, Philippines, Oman, Iran, Czech Republic, Slovakia, New Zealand, Maldives, Spain, Greece, and Hungary. Shortly, we will go into the most awaited agenda to present the award to the winners of the two categories, 10 ball and under 17 9 ball. But before that, I would like to draw everyone's attention to the screens. Let's watch the video highlights of the tournament of Indonesia International Open 2024. Yes, please give applause for Indonesia International Open 2024. Ladies and gentlemen, next in the agenda, I would like to invite the distinguished Mr. Hari Tanu Sudibyo, the Chairman of the Indonesia Billiard Sport Association and Executive Chairman of MNC Group, to give some remarks. Mr. Hari, the stage is yours.
Good evening, everyone. Our special and honored guests, our Minister for Youth and Sport, Bapak Aryo Bimo Nandito Aryo Tejo. Thank you for coming. Pak Dito, it's an honor for us that you are here with us to present the awarding for the winners of the championship. And then Mr. Ishon Singh, President of the WPA, World Pool Billiard Association. Mr. Michel Al-Khoury, the Secretary General for ACBS, which is Asian Confederation of Billiard Sport. And Bapak Ahmad Saifuddin, the Vice Secretary General, one for Indonesian Sport Association. And of course, all the ladies and gentlemen that are here, in particular, all the participants of the Indonesian International Billiard 2024, which is the first time conducted in Jakarta, Indonesia. I'd like to also say and give some applause to the winner. The winner for the U17, Albert Januarta. Later you will get the award from Indonesia. The second place winner is Brian Axel, also from Indonesia. Where is Brian? Okay. And the third place winner is Made Abi from Indonesia and Kento Oda from Japan. Congratulations. And for the senior, the first place winner is Jeffrey Ignacio from the Philippines. Congratulations. And the second winner is Robbie Capito from Hong Kong. Congratulations. Third place winner, Jonas Magpantai from the Philippines. We are two winners from the Philippines. So following Reyes. And Francisco Sanchez Ruiz from Spain. Congratulations. Well, all of you are winners actually, because billiard is sometimes unpredictable. To some extent, it depends on our confidence level. This event, the Indonesian International Open 2024, marked the commitment of POPSI, the Indonesian Billiard Association, to grow billiard as a sport in Indonesia. I noticed some of the things that can grow billiard. Among other things, we need to have more tournaments, domestically, locally, and also internationally. Because billiard is a very focused sport, need a lot of focus and confidence in order we can play well. So tournament is one of the ways in order to grow billiard quality. And then we plan also to make sure billiard places are everywhere in Indonesia, Pak Menteri. So we have more than 500 cities and regencies. I hope during my second term, there are billiard places across places in Indonesia, at least one billiard place in every city or regency in the country, so that we can grow a lot of potential athletes. As we know, we have a lot of young people, and Indonesia is experiencing demographic bonus, where the population is growing by 30 to 40 million within the next 15 years. So I hope by having this fact, we can have a lot of good athletes, and someday for the senior one, we can have world champion from Indonesia. Another thing to grow billiard is to have good coach, and we want to make sure that we have that. And also media support is also very important in order billiard can be more popular among the Indonesian people. So all of you who participate in this tournament, I hope you enjoy your stay, at least during the 5 days period from 21st to 25th of January, which is today. And you have good impression about Indonesia, in particular Jakarta. I apologize that I could not attend the final match this afternoon because I got infusion. I got very bad food poisoning. So I apologize. But I tried to attend this evening for the awarding and for the dinner. So thank you again for all of you. I hope for the next tournament can be participated by more countries. Today, there are 20 countries participating in this event. And hopefully, if God allows, then we can have it in Bali for the next tournament. Thank you very much. Good evening.
Thank you, Mr. Haritanu Sudibyo, for your remarks. Next, I cordially invite the distinguished Mr. Michel Alcori, Secretary General of Asian Confederation of Billiard Sport, to give his remark. Mr. Michel, the time is yours.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. Aryo Bimo Nantedo, Ministry of Youth and Sport. Mr. Hari, Chairman of Indonesian Billiard and Snooker Association, BOPSI. Mr. Ishan Senje, President of World Pool Billiard Association, WBA. Mr. Ahmad Saifuddin, Vice General Secretary, the National Sport Committee of Indonesia. On behalf of the World Pool Billiard Association and the Asian Confederation of Billiard Sport, it's a great pleasure for me and great honor to be with all of you in this great ceremony of the International Indonesia Open 2024. I would like to thank BOPSI and their worker team for their great job for this championship to be successful, and the special thanks will be given for Mr. Hari, the executive of BOPSI and MNC Group. That person we know, all of us we know, without his great support, this tournament will not be successful like this. Thank you, Mr. Hari. Also, I would like to congratulate for the winners and to thank all the players who participate in this tournament, and they came here for Indonesia from all over the world. Actually, it's a great honor personally for me as a Secretary General of the Asian Confederation to see two finalist Asian players playing the final match. In the end, I would like, as Mr. Hari say, to see more tournament organizing in this country, especially when I see, even in our pages of the social media, that all comments, all people saying, why we don't go to this nice country. Actually, I know the warm welcomes that given by Indonesian to any guest who visit the country. It's not the first time for me to see their warm welcomes. So it's really anyone feel it's the second homeland, Indonesia. So thank you very much, and for sure the biggest thanks for the great Indonesia. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Michel Alcori, for your remarks. I now invite His Excellency, Mr. Aryo Bimo Nandito Aryotejo, the Minister of Youth and Sport of the Republic of Indonesia, to provide his remarks. His Excellency, the time is yours.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests. First of all, Your Honor, President of World Pool Billiard Association, Mr. Ishan Singh, and the General Secretary of Asian Confederation of Billiard Sports, Mr. Michael Al-Khoury, and the Chairman of Indonesian Billiard Association, Mr. Hari Tanusudibyo. Give applause for Mr. Hari. And also his wife, Ms. Liliana, and Deputy Secretary General of KONI, Mr. Ahmed Saifuddin. So I would appreciate to the POPSI for this successful event. The Ministry of Youth and Sports expressed appreciation to the National Board of the Indonesia Billiard Sport Association, or PB POPSI, to help the first Indonesian International Open 2024. POPSI and MPI shows their commitment, and it has significantly contributed to Indonesian achievement in billiard at the international level. Billiard is gaining popularity in Indonesia as a strategic and highly concentrated sport, with the hope that its development can evolve into a sport industry. The championship aligns with the DBON, Desain Besar Olahraga Nasional, emphasizing youth development, including 16 participants from the qualification tournament. We did from the 16th, 19th January from 141 participants from 3 countries. Congratulations for the champion of final match U17, Albert from Indonesia. And the final match 10 ball, Jeffrey Ignacio from Philippines. Anticipating that this championship will produce promising athletes, the aspiration is for them to join clubs and eventually represent Indonesia at the national level. The hope is that expose Indonesia to the world and our commitment toward billiard. To everyone, this will be live streamed at Vision Plus, so please gather around and support our sport industry, especially billiards. Thank you.
Thank you, Minister Bimo, for your remarks. Ladies and gentlemen, the world-class billiard tournament, Indonesia International Open 2024, is organized by the Indonesian Billiard Sport Association, POPSI, and was successfully held from 16 January until today, 25th January 2024. More than 144 athletes participate in the tournament. They are coming from Indonesia, Japan, Korea, Hong Kong, Vietnam, Singapore, Malaysia, Brunei, Chinese Taipei, India, Philippines, Oman, Iran, Czech Republic, Slovakia, New Zealand, Maldives, Spain, Greece, and Hungary. So, we have now come to the main agenda, awarding the winners of Indonesia International Open 2024. When I call upon your name, kindly come up to the stage. Okay, let's begin. First, from the U17 9-ball category. Please give applause to third plus winner from U17 9-ball category, Made Abi from Indonesia. And also, I would like to invite Mr. Michel Alcori, Secretary General of Asian Confederation of Billiard Sport, to please come up to the stage to present the certificates. Okay. Please big applause for the winners. And I would like to invite Mr. Ishon Singh, the President of the World Pool Billiard Association, WPA, to please come up to the stage and join a photo session. I now invite also His Excellency Mr. Aryo Bimo Nandito Aryo Tejo, the Minister of Youth and Sport of the Republic of Indonesia, to please come up to the stage and join a photo session. The photograph and a videograph, please take a moment, take a picture. Okay, we will take a picture together. 1, 2, 3. Okay, once again. 1, 2, 3. Thank you, Mr. Hari, Mr. Ishon Singh, Mr. Michel, and Mr. Aryo Bimo. You may return to your seats. Okay, for all the winners, please stand still at the position. And now, please rise for Indonesia National Anthem. Thank you for the all winners of the Indonesia International Open 2024. U17 9-ball category, you may return to your seat. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, next we have the announcement for the 10-ball category of Indonesia International Open 2024. The third place winner of 10-ball category. Congratulations to Francisco Sanchez Ruiz from Spain. And I invite Mr. Haritano Sudibyo, Chairman of POPSI and Executive Chairman of MNC Group. Please present the plaque and giant checks to the winners. Please a big applause for the all winners. Okay, and I would like to invite Mr. Ishon Singh and Mr. Michel Alcori to please come up to the stage and join the photo session with all the winners. Okay, we will take a picture together. 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Give, please, big applause again for the all winners. Thank you, His Excellency Mr. Aryo Bimo, Mr. Ishan Singh, Mr. Michelle Alkori, Mr. Hari, for presenting the award to all the winners of Indonesia International Open 2024. For all the winners, please stand still at the position. And now, please rise for Philippine National Anthem. Thank you for all winners of Indonesia International Open 2024. You may return to your seats. Ladies and gentlemen, before closing this ceremony, I inform you again about the all winner from 2 categories. In U17 9 ball, Indonesia success get 3 position in the Indonesian International Open 2024. And Japan get 3rd position. And in the 10 ball category, the 3rd place, Spain and Philippines, and the 2nd place from Hong Kong, and the winner from Philippines. So, thank you for all participants. And now, let's celebrate tonight with a special performance from Paul, Ronnie, Mirabeth, and Olivia.